Today, I hope you take a moment to be grateful for what you do have, for the people who show up for you and the doors open when least expected, because it was your time. I hope you reflected on how far you've come and the moments you were blessed along this journey. Today, I hope you don't allow anyone to hold you back, make you feel small, or cause you any further pain and suffering. Today, I hope you write the vision, and I hope God gives you clarity into what is needed to put those things together. I hope every will be done in the order in which it shall, and everything will flourish in the face of those who doubted and tore apart your name. There is stillness and a peace in today. Today feels different, and I hope you gain the
Don't raise your child to be too obedient. Make sure to tell them these 9 things. 1. No matter who you're talking to, speak up loudly and confidently. Don't shy away from making eye contact. 2. Don't be afraid of socializing, and don't overly concern yourself with the friendships among classmates. 3. Learn to say no to things you don't want to do, even if it's a teacher asking. 4.
Be careful of who you relate with. Be careful of the people in your circle.